Number 10. The sky is only blue during the day. Did you know that the sky is not actually blue? What we see as the blue sky is just an illusion caused by our atmosphere. When the sun's rays hit the molecules in our atmosphere, they scatter the light waves. Shorter wavelengths such as blue and violet are scattered more than longer wavelengths such as red and orange. This is why the sky appears blue during the day. But at night, when there is no sunlight to scatter, the sky appears darker. No. 9. The sky can be different colors at different times of the day. Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue during the day, or why it turns red at sunset? It has everything to do with the way sunlight interacts with our atmosphere. During the day, the sun is high in the sky, and its light passes through less atmosphere than it does at sunset or sunrise. As a result, the shorter wavelengths of light are scattered away, leaving us with the longer wavelengths, which appear red and orange. Similarly, the sky can turn green during thunderstorms due to the presence of water droplets in the air. These droplets scatter green light more than other colors, giving the sky a greenish hue. No. 8. The sky can be filled with all kinds of space stuff. From satellites to the International Space Station, there are all kinds of stuff up there. You can even see planets like Mars and Venus with the naked eye. If you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of a meteor or two streaking across the night sky. All this space stuff is constantly whizzing around us, and it's a reminder of just how big and amazing the universe is. No. 7. The sky can tell us what the weather will be like. Have you ever looked up to the sky and wondered what it's trying to tell you? Well, the sky is actually a pretty good indicator of what the weather will be like in the near future. For example, if the sky is clear and cloudless, it's probably going to be a nice day. However, if there are dark clouds on the horizon, it could mean that a storm is on the way. 8. And if you see a rainbow, you can be sure that there's some moisture in the air. So next time you look up to the sky, see if you can figure out what it's trying to tell you. No. 6. The sky can be full of stars. When the night is dark and the sky is clear, it can be full of stars. In fact, there are so many stars in the sky that it's impossible to count them. But with a telescope, you can see millions of stars. Each star is a giant ball of burning gas that is millions or even billions of miles away. Although they look like they're close together in the sky, many stars are actually very far apart. The distance between stars is so great that it's hard to imagine. No. 5. The sky can change the way we feel. Have you ever noticed how the sky can change your mood? On a sunny day, it's hard not to feel happy and upbeat. But when the sky is dark and stormy, it can feel like the world is full of gloom and doom. The sky has a powerful effect on our emotions, and it's all because of the way our brains process visual information. When the sky is blue and sunny, our brains release chemicals that make us feel good. But when the sky is dark and stormy, our brains release chemicals that make us feel bad. Number 4. The sky can cause aurora. Have you ever seen an aurora? If you have, you know that it's a truly magical sight. Aurora occur when charged particles from the sun hit the Earth's atmosphere and excite the atoms and molecules in the air. When the excited particles return to their normal state, they release energy in the form of light. This process is similar to what happens in neon lights. Aurora can occur in any gas, but they are most commonly seen in the Earth's atmosphere, because it is the only one that has enough free electrons to absorb the energy from the solar wind. Aurora are most often seen in high-latitude regions such as the Arctic and Antarctic. Number 3. The sky can be used to tell time. The sky can be used to tell the time of day, year, and even the location of the sun in the solar system. This is because the sky is a mirror of the positions of objects in space. By observing the positions of the stars and planets, ancient astronomers were able to develop calendars and clocks. They also used the sky to navigate, as the stars could be used as a guide to help sailors find their way across the oceans. Even today, the sky is used to tell time. In fact, most of the clocks in our homes and offices are synchronized with atomic clocks that use the vibrations of atoms to keep time. Atomic clocks are so accurate that they lose only 1 second every 100 million years. No. 2. The sky can be a source of energy. The sky is a vast, nearly inexhaustible source of energy. In fact, the amount of energy that reaches the Earth's surface from the sun every year is about 100 times greater than the total energy consumption of all the people on Earth. The reason why the sky is such a great source of energy is because it is always shining. The sun is the center of our solar system, and it provides light and heat to the Earth. The sun is a nuclear fusion reactor that converts hydrogen to helium, releasing tremendous amounts of energy. Only a small fraction of this energy reaches the Earth, but it is still enough to power our entire planet. Number 1, the sky can be a source of inspiration. The sky has been a source of inspiration for humans for centuries. In ancient times, people would look up to the sky and wonder about the nature of the world. They would make up stories about the constellations and the planets. They believed that the sky was full of gods and goddesses who controlled the weather and the fate of humans. Even today, the sky continues to inspire us. It's a source of wonder and beauty. It reminds us of just how small we are in the grand scheme of things. The sky can be a source of hope, too. When things are tough, we can look up to the sky and remember that no matter how dark things seem, there is always light at the end of the tunnel. The sky is a source of peace. When we look up to the sky, we feel connected to something bigger than ourselves. We forget our worries and our problems. We feel at peace with the world. If you like this video, stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. See you soon.